Because Almaty Kabila, when lucky to be better Sudan. Sudan, Dan and Neki. Kikiraju. Kagwini, Uganda, Neki. At me, they put it in thing. I was so scared. And in any Lumone Pakuit Carbenetier, there are people who never want to see peace among us.
So, I thought of sharing with you the nightlife of Magui. This is Lucky David. Yeah. So it's 8 p.m. Ugandan time, and here is 7 p.m. South Sudanese time. Yeah. But if you look at the darkness, it's almost like the same. I can see the moon behind me, the light. So here's the food, guys. Here we go. Yeah.
We have chips.
So this is the food, guys.
Coffee.
This is like chicken, guys. Chicken, and this is bread.
There is chip.
Yeah. This is soup. Look at that. And we have some chili.
When I came, with the mindset that I have, think was like, I thought maybe this could be one of the ghost town around.
The most unsafe place, right?
Yes. So I was kind of scared, and reaching here, whoa, people
Look at
must be
this
are
nice.
so lovely. They are so lovely. And they are so friendly. I ate one of the best meals yesterday. Ate ruda, magi tuwaya, you know, meal. And it was really perfect.
Guys, in Africa we eat all like the bones and everything.
We don't leave it.
Yeah,
For what, man? Money.
In the middle
Money. We are eating our money.
I got below. That thing we're talking about chocolate. So guys, if you're from South Sudan and you're from Magui, you have to come back home and check out all the progresses. Yeah, you might be hearing rumors that this place is unsafe.
Yeah.
But what when you get border? When you get border from the border point,
we use it about a border from Uganda to, from Ugandan border to this side.
To Magui, yeah.
I think we're okay, and those guys were really friendly. But in fact, what and then most of the people are still feel in Pajok. But we want to let you know that home is home. And the situation has come. Yeah, so there's nothing wrong. You come and finish building that you have started some years ago. Come and finish it.
Yeah. Berolik tutwal kita ke peri komi kiki bino gang piki no or moi kem gang bori. Yeah, go at up you down here. This is something.
Yeah, for real.
In fact, it will help also to develop this area. Yeah. Kikero otimoni or kikero school, kikero odiat. Yeah, kijok chene. Well, put it there, but good no more.
And you know, the challenge is there are some rumamangers who don't want to like people to come home. They talk nonsense, like they don't give the like the true story. The true story. Nothing at the moment at home. Well, don't feel like don't think when you can give. Don't put you like him go home.
But you do Uganda.
We put you.
But you do Uganda.
Don't waste your time in Paloda. Come home now. Come and see with your own eyes. Because in this life, when it comes to life, there's always a risk that you have to risk.
Yeah.
Because Almaty Kabila, when lucky to be better Sudan. Sudan, Dan and Neki. Kikiraju. Kagwini, Uganda, Neki. At me, they put it in thing. I was so scared. And ingeni lumone pakuj kar benetie. There are people who never want to see peace among us. There are people who never want to see us building or putting structures at home. You know, cái lo new web pay ho gần to.
Cái nhiều
Nhiều này ai nhiều này cái quát cái canh nhiều nó.
Còn cái
quát cái Australia canh nhiều nó, quát cái USA canh nhiều nó, chim mòn cái bắt cái.
Like in your money, I care of video me. Yeah, I just a drive along a bob per job. Dano kena bera go ati jal. Joni kar gi waxe ka nono do. Kara gitiki ori bati be pe ngom gi.
Ara ngene. Loin ma yam bera temani. There's that trauma money ma put here with dano. Hope money geno loin. Anytime ni kudu dugo any kira bera tiara chak gero gang kuja. Watip kan loin da chak. Now because we
ana ngeni ba kwan kite ke acholo kwan wa pero o garwenyo ki karawa ina kwan ye we are lacking right now kite lo tiano wa kwano gubi ngeo ping and don lobo definitely ka bino tie ka bero tie ga ikarawa kan neno right now kid neno mod actually me South Sudan actually me Uganda kite ke gribo statistics why food chan loyo why food chan loyo kid neno ke dio wa ki kwalo ngo ma kitika mayo neo so ngo ma ken mudong kwando kide wa kwano we will be yappe then definitely development will be in place. So I better ki doctors, my bejo, I better ki accountants, my bejo, I better ki bankers, my bejo. Why call it no?
But we are doing war like a loma na gangwa. On me geri yepe, bien kiri, loin bomb you chelo ko bala. It is now it's time now for us to focus. As Acholis, as Nuers, we need to unite and at least what you care asset in ngom ma make what do you think ngam wel ngom ko wa ba kitiki lon we will odi actually wa like beside me Australia you don't buy land but you buy a complete house
Down Paul why Kampala do
why don't we meet that expense come home. It is going to be even cheaper than what you are buying from there.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Balance is an investment.
Yes.
But all in all, we are encouraging you guys to, yes, come and visit home. Do what you can. Then get a permit here down for the corona. Yeah. Come and visit home. Do what you can. Come and visit. Your meal encouragement both down on the one for the town gang better. Yes.
You know, look at Gire. Down on Tuchu. The Tian Matigan. Tian Madon Governor Gitier Lewolaya. Repair Yaki Mama Pair Tap on Loyal.
Yeah.
Hey, well, at the end of many, where won't let where a kimu because of certain things. Many look up, don't chop up. That's one thing I know. But in the end, Dogan, Madame Ripe, yeah. Linas, trust me, they can move mountains.
Definitely. And that's what actually is lacking by them. One actually, we're not going to end this video today. This discussion is important. Yeah. One actually poor respect. Have you realized that? Look at like a business.